Hello friends, my name is Shalini. Welcome to my channel, My Life, My Style. In today's video, I'm going to share some beauty products that I got from Amazon. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. The first product that I ordered is this black eyeliner from Sturt. It comes with a refill. It's very easy to refill this. So once you are done with the eyeliner, all you have to do is open it from here, take the cartridge out and put the new one in. I have used this eyeliner and I really like it. Next product that I ordered is this botanical primer from Wish. I bought this primer because this is cruelty-free, paraben-free and sulfate-free. I have not used it as yet, so I won't be able to share my views on this primer. Next product that I ordered is this Magic Root Cover-Up from L'Oreal. I ordered it in shade dark brown. This is really good in days wherein you don't have time to go to the parlor and your roots are starting to show up. This is really good for those days. I have used it a couple of times and I like it. You can use this on your dry hair, so wherever you see the roots, you just spray it over there, leave it for 2-3 minutes and then just comb and you're all set. The only thing I do not like about this is wherever you have sprayed it, when you put your hands through it, you feel that roughness, like that stiff. You feel the stiffness, the roughness in your hair. That is something that I do not like about this, but other than that, for emergency purposes, this is nice. Next product that I ordered are these eyelashes from Belisha. I think I paid $9 or $10 for these lashes and I haven't used it as yet. So there are 7 pairs of lashes in this. I have not tried them yet. I've never used eyelashes, so I've never tried these as yet, but I will definitely try it soon and then I'll share my views with you guys on these. Next product that I ordered is this strip lash adhesive from Kiss. Next product that I ordered are these hair extensions from Sarala. These are long synthetic hair. This is heat resistant up to 300 to 350 degree Fahrenheit or 150 to 800 degrees Celsius. It comes in this net. So this is the wig. This is the invisible wire. Putting it on is very easy. It does not require any tools. All you have to do is wear this, part your hairs, wear this, and this wire will come somewhere here and it will be covered in your natural hair, so you won't be able to see this. And since there are no clips, it's not going to hurt you anywhere. Very comfortable. So this length is 18 inches and this is very true to whatever the color you choose, or I have chosen off black and this goes with my hair very beautifully. I really like it. To detangle it, you have to put detangle spray and then detangle the hairs, and these hairs are heat resistant up to 300 and 350 degree Fahrenheit or 150 to 180 degrees centigrade. Looks like natural hair. Next product that I ordered are these fiber cloths from Makeup Eraser. And I am in love with these. I have used it and I really love it. Let me show it to you. So these are these kinds of cloth and it's very easy to remove makeup with these. All you have to do is wet this with water, like normal tap water. Just wet it with that and then remove all your makeup. This even removes your waterproof makeup without any chemical, without anything else, just plain water. So I really love it, and this can be washed after removing makeup, so you can wash it and reuse it. You just put this so before you use it for the first time, put this in your washer and wash it, and after that start using it, and this is going to last you for 3 to 5 years. So how much you are saving on all those vibes, and plus you're avoiding all those chemicals on your face. I have used it and I am in love with these. I really like it, and I would really recommend it, specifically if you have sensitive skin like me. This is a lifesaver. So I will definitely recommend this to you guys. That's it guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new video. Link to all the products are below in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. I'll see you next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.